Good morning, students. Today's lesson is just a review of two-step equations. And so this worksheet here is all two steps, except that there'll be word problems on there. Well, except for the first 6, it is not word problems. All right, 7 is kind of a word problem, 8 is kind of a word problem, but it's just words that represent two-step equation. For example, okay, the sum of 15 and 6 times a number, t, they use the letter t. You don't have to use t, but they use t, is 81. So we know it's 81. Okay, now sometimes I like to put the 81 first, but you don't have to. Okay, so that's what it is. 81 means equal to 81, and the sum means add of 15 and 6 times a number. So 6 times a number, t, and the sum of 15. There you go. That's your two-step equation. Okay, then you subtract 15, and then divide by 6, and you should get an answer for that one. Okay, so again, 1 through 6 is just all two-step equations. So focus on the variable side. You should know what two numbers to get rid of. Focus on the variable side, and then you should know what two numbers to get rid of, and make sure you show your steps. All right. Now I'm going to go over 2 answers with you, or 2 problems with you. Okay, let's go ahead and go over number 9 and number 10. So these are word problems, but they're 2 steps. You have to identify the 3 different types of numbers. Okay, so the 3 different types of numbers are numbers that has that is what's equal to, okay, a number that's multiplying x, and there's numbers either adding and subtracting. Okay, so there'll be 3 different types of numbers. Okay, so when you're looking at number 9, there are the 3 types here. There's a 3, there's a 2, and there's a 53. One of them represent what's equal to, one of them represent what is multiplying, and one of them represent, they call it the constant number, or the number they start with. Okay, so let's read this quickly, and it's easy to identify. All right, at the start of a month, a customer spends $3 for a reusable coffee cup. So $3 for a reusable coffee cup. She pays $2 each time she has the cup filled with coffee. All right, at the end of the month, she's paid $53. How many cups of coffee did she get? Now, the 53 is obviously what it's equal to. Okay, and now one of these 2 numbers is the constant, it's what it starts with, and the other number is what is being multiplied. So read it carefully, and as you can see, the $2, she pays $2 each time. So that means she goes 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, you're multiplying by the 2. So that 2 should go right here. And in fact, it says at the start of the month she pays $3. So $3 is a one-time fee. So that's a one-time fee. It goes $3 there. So that's your equation. Now, you don't have to use x. You can use any letter you like. That's just an unknown how many times she paid. So I'll rewrite it. 2x plus 3 is equal to 53. Now, like I said earlier, sometimes I like to put what is equal to first, and then I like to concentrate on the other 2 numbers. So you could write something like this if you want to. Okay, so they're both the same. All right, so again, you subtract 3, you're going to get 50 is equal to 2x. And then you divide by 2. Make sure you show your work, please. I'll draw this line right here. And you get 25. Now, you don't have to write 25 equal to x. You could just say 25. Let's see, at the end of how many cups? So 25 cups. Make sure you label it, though. I know it's 25 equal to x, but remember, guys, it just means cups. Okay? So let's do another free answer for number 10. Okay, if you already know how to do this, you can stop the video and just do it on your own. But number 10, just in case, okay? A runner warms up for 10 minutes, so that's 10, and takes 7 minutes to run each mile, all right? And the total after R miles, you don't have to use the letter R, you could use X if you want to, is 45 minutes. So it looks like it takes 45 minutes. So again, I like to write that first. Now you don't have to, you can write it later, okay? Now, one of them represents what you're multiplying R by, okay? Let's take a quick look. The warmer warms up for 10 minutes and takes 7 minutes. So this is the 7 minute right there. It's each mile. So that's why you need 7 is what you're going to multiply by, because there's 1 mile, 2 miles, and 3 miles. So therefore, that 7 is multiplying. And it warms up for 10 minutes. So this is a one-time number. It doesn't change. It doesn't multiply. All right? And then there you go. So you subtract 10 to both sides. Subtract 10 to both sides. You get 35 is equal to 7r. Divide by 7, and you should get, I know R is equal to 5, but you want to write 5 miles as your final answer. All right, and that is it for your lesson for today. Again, there's only a couple more word problems. You could try to do these on your own, but that is it. Thank you.